Johnny Depp keeps on winning and there's nothing Amber Heard can do. The former ambassador of the American Civil Liberties Union and self-proclaimed public figure representing abuse is using all her sources to bring her ex-husband down. Even when the jury already decided that she's guilty of defaming him, she and her lawyers have gone on so many TV shows and interviews to beg for the public's sympathy, more than we can handle. This time, the ACLU are the ones suing Johnny Depp for thousands of dollars, all because they were required to give him pieces of evidence related to Amber's so-called donations. They're the ones who wrote the op-ed that totally ruined Johnny's career, not Amber. They only guided her and made her check the draft. But they're the actual masterminds. They had the audacity to file a lawsuit against Johnny after that because of the legal fees associated with the witness and documentation subpoenas for the Depp versus Heard lawsuit. They're looking for a whopping $86,000 for the case. The organization is whining because they had to review about 7,500 documents and only turned over 2,000 of it. 3 witnesses were interviewed for over 16 hours of depositions and they didn't find that amusing at all. They found a chance to ask Johnny for money and they took it as soon as they saw it. The ACLU also blames Johnny Depp for rejecting numerous compromises to minimize the burden and expense on the ACLU and its employees, as if it isn't his right to do so. The real question is, why are they pestering Johnny to pay them a small amount of legal fees when Amber herself owes them millions of dollars? You know, the money she allegedly pledged to donate. She hasn't donated that money at all and she blames her ex because he sued her. Now, she also needs to pay him $15 million as well, and she still plans on appealing the jury's verdict. We definitely feel bad for her wallet. Amber and the ACLU are partners in crime. They really want to paint Johnny Depp as the bad and they would do anything for revenge. He's only living his life and moving on from the drama, yet they still defame as if they weren't just proven guilty of doing so the other week. The organization is practically getting paid to defame Johnny. Joke's on them because the judge sided with the actor and reduced the award money to a very, very reasonable amount. Instead of paying $86,000 like the ACLU demanded, Johnny only has to pay $38,000, which is what to him, pocket money. With the number of roles he's booked in films after the trial, $34K is nothing. It's so ironic that Amber Heard lied about donating half her divorce settlement to the ACLU, but Johnny Depp immediately has to pay them for legal fees. This just goes to show that Amber Heard and the army behind her will never stop defaming Johnny Depp. She's trying to rewrite their story by releasing bad articles about him, and she's going on interviews to ruin his name once more, but what they don't realize is that big media outlets are slowly siding with Johnny again. Whatever wrong thing they'll do, they will probably get exposed. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.